Hi guys, and today we're gonna make my favorite condiment. We're gonna turn all of this into ketchup. Ketchup. It's something that I serve meatballs with. I use this sauce for my bolognese. I love to make a shakshuka with this. By the way, if you want any of these recipes, just let me know, write down in the comments below and I'll be sure to make a video. But the thing is, you can buy a ketchup. It will last you probably years, but if you look at the ingredient list, it's kind of questionable. So today we're making like a cleaner, healthier version. First and foremost, we need tomatoes. I have different kinds here. It doesn't really matter. You don't have to get like the best, most expensive variety. I would save those for like a nice salad. You can get any kind of tomato that you have available because when we cook them, all of the sugars are gonna caramelize and it will bring out the best in any tomato. You can skip the peppers because this is a tomato ketchup, but I really like a hint of peppers roasted in my ketchup. It adds more flavor, more depth. Love it. We're definitely going to use onions. You can use any kind of shallot, a basic onion, because again, when you cook up these guys, the sugars caramelize and it just adds a lot of sweetness that you really do want in a ketchup. And I think I'm going to fall right now. Sorry about that. And we're definitely going to use some garlic. Again, flavor, a nice punch, some sweetness, and it just adds and adds and adds on the layers. So it's not just going to be basically like a basic canned tomato sauce. This is going to be like an awesome, beautiful ketchup. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by preheating the oven. All of the details are linked below in the description. And let's just prep the veg and get cooking. I seriously wish I had like better knife skills. I should go to like a cooking class and learn, because I'm pretty sure I'm doing something wrong here. And I always, you always have like a bowl where you put all the discarded stuff. I always take the smallest one. I should take something bigger so it all fits in, but no, I take the smallest one. By the way, I never throw away like, pieces of veg and even these onion peels. I use them in a vegetable broth that I cook up at home, like a vegetable stock. Again, if you want the recipe, comment below. As you can see, it's not a lot of work. What I did was I added some salt to the tomatoes and to the onions, and yes, I do like to use a lot of onions because they really do give that sweet note. It's absolutely delicious. Add some salt if you want, add some pepper, give them a little shake. And I always put the peppers separately. We want them to kind of burn, get some color, then we're gonna remove the skins and kind of blend it all together. So this is gonna go into the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes. During that time, come over, show them some love, give them a little mix. What's gonna happen is the tomatoes are gonna let go of some juice, some liquids. It's all gonna be like this beautiful, bubbly, juicy mess, which is exactly what we want. And as soon as we see that the peppers are kind of charred, you can give them a turn, maybe like in 30 minutes. We're gonna remove the tray and then mix it up. And this is gonna be absolutely divine. Now all we have to do is blend it up. Boom, homemade, delicious, clean ketchup. I love this stuff. The peppers, I didn't use them all. I'm gonna reserve these for this delicious salad that I make with feta cheese and pine nuts. Let me know in the comments below if you want the recipe, or I have this incredible roasted pepper dip called muamana, which I make with walnuts, and this pomegranate molasses, which I make by myself. Again, write down below in the comments if you want me to share the video, the recipe in a video, and see you soon.